It is your problem, my friend. Your problem no less than it is mine. Together, we cannot fail.
Healthcare is a human right, not a privilege. I believe that. I will fight for that.
All right, big news. The big news is that due to my family have been sick, we can't really do any recording in our studio. So we're recording from the desk. Bit of an upgrade, maybe downgrade, but big news. Trump asked the Supreme Court to block sentencing in his hush money case in New York. This is pretty ridiculous. People on Twitter, are all over it. And having read this little baby article, the main argument is pretty silly. The judge has already said that he's not going to impose jail time, fines, or probation. So we already know nothing's going to happen because of his 34 felony convictions, right? 34 felony counts, maybe I should say, that happened last May. This is the quote. This is the quote that the AP got from Trump's team. This is insane. Listen to this. The sentencing should be delayed as he appeals the conviction to, quote, prevent grave injustice and harm to the institution of the presidency and the operations of the federal government. Why did we elect a man with 34 felony counts to the presidency then? Why are we demanding that the presidency, them doing this is demanding that the presidency and the institutions of the federal government be bent to the candidate? And I guess the president-elect now. How about we just don't vote that guy in? I thought it's pretty simple, pretty easy. I think this just goes to show as you can see here, a 6-3 majority in the Supreme Court most likely going to give Trump the big old thumbs up to do whatever the hell he wants, whenever the hell he wants to do it. I think this is just wild. That knowing that nothing's going to happen, this quote's the crazy one, though. Prevent grave injustice and harm to the institution of the presidency and operations of the federal government. Don't elect the 34 felony count guy. Don't run him. But they don't care about that. They just want to run, the oligarchs pay Trump. Trump wants power. They're all narcissists. They're all insane, probably. They're all evil. You know what I mean? And this is what we get. We get crazy stuff like this. This happened today, the 8th, I believe. And Thursday, the prosecutors have a chance to respond. This is pretty ridiculous. It's pretty stupid. I don't have a whole lot to say about it, other than I don't know what in the world we're doing here with this. It would have, Trump lawyers argue that a felony conviction would still have intolerable side effects, like what? That there's 34 felony counts against him? That's what it is? Don't do crime! I thought Republicans were the party of law and order. I believe there was a tweet, law and order from Trump. Law and order. This seems to be law and order when I only want there to be law and order. They only care about the rules so long as the rules don't apply to them. This is crazy. I'm sure he'll get it, and if he doesn't get it, it doesn't matter because the judge is going to do nothing about it. It's just a show. It's just a sham. From the prosecution of him getting 34 felony counts, we're doing nothing about it, and then their team asking to get rid of it. It's just ridiculous. It's insane. This man's a psychopath, and we elected him as president. He said some more crazy stuff, the past few days. We're going to cover some of those today.